Hi, this is Luke Russell here with Algo, where we use alternative trading systems to identify winning market opportunities each and every day. ATSs are the private exchanges that large institutions such as big banks and hedge funds trade on, inaccessible to the investing public. It leaves the retail market completely in the dark when it comes to speed and transparency of information, and it often causes people to chase stocks and options a majority of their trading experience. Well, here at Algo, our AI is able to identify the top large, mid, and small cap opportunities with the most unusual signals of volume in private exchanges, so you can confidently and successfully trade following smart money transactions. Same thing with the trending downside of the equation, and of course that still applies to the small, mid, and the large cap spaces. Well, let's go ahead and take a look at the trending downside of the equation. I want you guys to see how RIVN Rivian popped up with a 391% increase in institutional bearish volume. No surprises when the stock drops over 10% as a result. What our AI was detecting is that typically only $207 million of the stock is traded on a day-by-day average. Today it was over $814 million. Well, it's important to get access to that information early. That's why our next generation AI goes through and identifies RIVN at the beginning of the morning with a lot of excess private exchange volume, 1.6 times what's normally seen there. This is more than an hour before the market even opened. If you had done put options on Rivian today, we're going to go to RIVN. Let's look at the put options. Pretty much all up in the triple digit space. 200%, 240%, 190%. Let's say, for example, that you had done the $16.50 put option at the beginning of the day. And we're going to go with a 15-minute chart just because we know it was identified in the pre-market, so we can go ahead and just stick with that market open. Down here at 9:30, the options opened at 28 cents. At its maximum, that's a 285% return. Maybe you didn't even get into the trade until 9:50, 9:55 a.m., and then maybe you got out at an early exit. That's still a triple-digit move. Still a lot of profit to be made. The whole purpose is get access to the AI down here and the proprietary data down here, as opposed to getting it over here or over here or over here. Now, it wasn't just Rivian, there were many other opportunities. We only have time to look over maybe one or two more. Let's take a look in the large cap space and go to CRM. I want you guys to see there is a 232% increase in institutional bullish volume. The stock on its earnings has jumped significantly after hours. You can see how it closed out at about $167 and it's popped all the way up to nearly $195. Now, again, it's important to get access to that information early. So let's go ahead and take a look at the alert of when our AI picked up at 9:31 a.m. Eastern Standard Time that there was a huge signal of bullish pressure in CRM. They announced their earnings after hours. So this is the equivalent of an entire trading day before they announce their earnings. And then on top of that, we even send alerts to our users on when institutions are taking large positions. You can see this is Brian Mitchell, our lead system analyst, telling people about the calls on CRM for the $167.50 strike, because we see that there's a ton of activity moving in to the 167.50 contracts expiring this Friday from a lot of institutional activity in the buying calls space. So we go ahead and send out that alert. If you had followed along, those should probably print at least over 300-400%, maybe even up to 600-800%, depending on the strike that you went with. It moved about 18 to 19% after hours. Gigantic move for an absolutely massive $167 billion market cap. CRM right there at the top of the board. We're going to finish off with just one more example here, guys. Quick one. I want to show you guys Lowe's. 540% increase in institutional bearish volume. No surprises when the stock drops 5% as a result. Smart money leads the way. The AI tracks in real time what's going on. And then you can see here that Lowe's was identified at 9:31 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So right there around that market open with double the average amount of bearish volume that's normally seen. If you had done put options on Lowe's, again, up in the triple digit space. Guys, stop getting your information too late. Stop seeing only a portion of the market and come join the winning team here at Algo so you can find out how to get access to opportunities like these each and every day. Give us a call to find out how you could run through a one-on-one demonstration with a lead system analyst, or how you could attend any one of our free live webinars that take place every single day, Monday through Friday. Thanks, guys.